I'm back with another What's in the Box. This one will be pretty quick, and it is from Pestilence Labs, I'm pretty sure. But let's find out exactly what's in there. Ooh, I almost lost a finger. There's always more tape. Slice. So let me take this out. And now I was worried. I think it's okay. Let's flip the camera around. That should tell you exactly what we got. So we have the new bust from Pestilence Labs, care of Typhon Studios. This was originally part of the Millicent Patrick kit from Typhon Studios, and Mike Calvert made an agreement with Pestilence Labs to distribute just the creature part of it as a bust here in the States. And I couldn't be happier. Nice, cheap, I think it was like $50. So if you're interested in picking one up, head to Pestilence Labs. There's all the info you need if you want to get your own. And comes with a cool little print. Mine's got a little ding in there, but mine was sitting out in the rain. And that's exactly what happened. It got wet. So if you see that, I don't think you can see the stain with it, but there is a little water stain there. Mine was sitting in the rain. I think it's fine on the front though, but mailmen or women. So there's the print that comes with it. That's pretty neat. I love that they add that in there. It's a nice little frameable movie poster. It's pretty neat. Okay, so let's get to the nitty gritty here. My desk is a mess. So first off, we have the bust itself. Beautiful piece. Like, wow. So sculpted by Jeff Yeager. This, I love the detail on the mouth. Great piece, really nice likeness, like dead on likeness, I think. For anyone that knows Mark of Pestilence Labs, he is a creature freak, to say the least. So I'm sure he's happy at putting this piece out here in the States, but there's your bust. Solid cast. A little fragile around there, so you want to be careful with that edge. Don't drop it, like I always do. So let's see what the base actually looks like. And for $50, it's a great painter's piece. Here you go. Ready? Done. Done. Great nameplate. Awesome stuff. There we have it. Creature from the Black Lagoon. And it sits just perfect. Like, it's just, that's gorgeous. And we have another What's in the Box from Pestilence Labs. Creature from the Black Lagoon bust. There's your info. I think I'm just going to start painting this. There's nothing. I'm trying to see if there is any cleanup. I don't think there is. So great casting. And if there was, I think it might have been sanded away already, maybe right there a little bit. But everything else, it's just, yep, it was already cleaned up right there and there. You put this on, you're ready for some primer, you're ready to paint. It's done. Great painter's piece. Beautiful, beautiful work. All right, everybody. Check it out. Pick yours up. Again, Pestilence Labs. Thank you, Mike Calvert, for originally doing this with the Millicent Patrick kit. And thank you, Pestilence Labs, for bringing it to the States to make it a little more affordable for everyone. Take care, everybody.